will learn about balanced
Balanced
diet.
diet.
Okay, balanced diet. You know about it in the lower classes. You learn these all things. But
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, yes. Who know it?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know
Yes.
the definition.
Point by point, you can tell it. Okay. So I will. When you are saying these points, I will write these all things in the board.
Ma'am, can I say,
Ma'am, I
ma'am?
don't know if it is
Yes.
very much right, but I'll tell.
Okay, okay. Then just we can discuss. After that, we can write. Okay, what you know about balanced diet? Who is ready to tell it?
Ma'am, can
heard.
I say, ma'am, can I say?
Okay, I will give some others also. Others also need it, right? See? Okay. Smriti knows about it. And any other one? Please. I can't hear. Somebody is talking, but I can't hear. Just raise your hand so that I can see you. Just raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Ananya is ready. Smriti is ready. Then what about Devika?
Yes, ma'am.
Devika, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What you know about balanced diet?
Ma'am, we need balanced diet for a proper nutrition and
Okay,
for our organs to work properly.
okay. That is why we need a balanced diet. Okay, very good.
Ma'am,
But
can I say?
1 minute, 1 minute. Why we need a balanced diet? To get proper nutrients and for the functioning of our body organs.
Body.
Okay, body organs. Okay, body system. That also we can say. That is why we need a balanced diet. Okay, my question is, what is a balanced diet?
Ma'am, a
What is
balance.
a balance? See, I am asking them to all,
Ma'am, can I
not
say?
to.
Ma'am,
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 can I
can I
say?
say,
1 minute.
ma'am? Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
can I
say,
say?
ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Please,
Ma'am.
please wait. Please wait. See, maybe some are remembering about this when they learn in the lower classes. Hmm? But we should give time for all to think about it, right? So many points are there. So all can contribute some points so that we will get some one definition for balanced diet. Okay? So
Yes,
those
ma'am.
know the answer, just raise your hand. I will just raise. I will permit them only. Say, I will call. Okay. Okay. Then Ananya, please
Yes.
tell me what you know about balanced diet.
Ma'am, balanced diet means everything in equal quantity. The
Okay.
food contain all components in equal proportion is called a balanced diet.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Some you said it. Okay. And another one, Smriti, please try it.
Ma'am, balanced diet is the food in which
Yeah.
all the components that are needed for our body in equal quantity
Okay. Okay.
is there.
Okay. 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 Any other one? Raise your hand. Some more points we want to add. Is correct? See some more points. See who wants to tell now? Ananya, can you add some more points? Ananya,
Ma'am, yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, balanced diet helps in digestion.
Okay, balanced diet helps in.
Proper digestion.
Okay, that is okay. Balanced diet. I think all can see the board, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Balanced diet. The diet. It is the diet. Okay. It is the diet that provides all the nutrients. All the nutrients. Can you see it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am writing all the points which I got it from each student. It is a diet all that can provide all the nutrients for our body needs. in right quantities. In right quantities. Okay, can you see it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
In
ma'am.
right quantities.
Yes,
along with right amount of roughage and water. Roughage and water. See, I am writing only the points. Okay, it is not a proper sentence. Okay, I am writing only the points. So balanced diet means it is a diet. It is a diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantity. Right quantity.
quantity.
Okay, along with adequate amount of or right amount of roughage and water. Yes. Is there any anything? Is it clear? Dear student, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
I am okay. Let me see you all. Okay. So balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet. It is a diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Okay, in right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water. Okay, so these points you have to understand it. The definition is there in the textbook. Okay, the definition is there in the textbook in the summary. Okay? See, please mute your audio. Somebody is repeating after me without muting it. Please mute it. If you want to talk to your parent, please mute it and do it. Okay? So balanced diet, the diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. All the nutrients in right quantities along with right amount of roughage and water. So this is called balanced diet. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from using these points, I call Ananda Krishna. Ananda Krishna, can you hear me, Ananda Krishna? I can't see you. Ananda Krishna, not here. Okay, Ayan Mohammed, can you tell me what is a balanced diet?
Balanced diet is the diet that includes
Provides
all the nutrients that right
our body
quantities
needs.
of roughage and water.
Okay, the diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with right amount of roughage and water. Okay, so okay, see, I will. Who is ready to give me that definition? I will share the screen for you to get that point. But you have to say it in a proper sentence. Okay? All the points I will share it using that board. Who is ready to?
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Your hand.
I'm ready, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Raise your hand. Okay, I will see it. Let me see how many are ready. Okay, so here Ananda Krishnan, I called you. Ananda Krishnan, can you hear me, Ananda Krishnan? Yes, can you hear me? Yes. Can you give a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So while seeing the all others, please wait. Okay. Let me give Ananda Krishnan a chance. Okay. All others, please check. Ananda Krishnan, I will share the screen. Using that screen, using that points, you can give the definition. Ananda Krishnan, can you see the board? Okay, can you tell me what is a balanced diet?
A balanced diet is the diet that includes all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities.
Yes, along with
Along
right
with
quantity of right amount of
nutrients and
roughage and water. Roughage and water. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Another one, I will call some other student. Malavika Pini.
Yes, ma'am.
Malavika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me the definition of balanced diet. You can use the point from the board.
Ma'am, balanced diet
Diet.
is a diet which provides all the nutrients
Okay. In
right quantities,
okay.
and it has
And also right
and
amount
also
of roughage and water. And
water.
that should include right amount of roughage and
And
water.
water.
Okay. Geetika. Geetika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell me what is a balanced diet?
Ma'am, balanced diet is a diet that includes all nutrients,
Okay.
water
In
in right quantities.
Okay. All the nutrients which we need in right quantities and also in right amount of roughage and water. Okay. This definition is there in the summary. Are you reading the summary? Summary of the chapters. Okay. This definition is there in the 6A. This definition is there in the summary. Okay, you can mark it there in a proper definition. It is written there. Okay, so let me ask you, everybody, please check whether it is muted or not. Please check it whether it is muted. Brisa, please mute your audio. Okay, okay. See some more minutes only. Balanced diet, when we are using, so when you are today onwards, you have to keep an eye on your diet. Okay, that should be balanced. That should be balanced. In that, how the balanced diet will differ according to the age and according to the physical work that we are doing. Say for the small children, see, we need all different types of nutrients. Okay, but for the old age people, we should the nutrients such as fats and all are not needed. It's in small amount. So the balanced diet differ according to the age and amount of physical work that we do. Okay, see, please mute your audio. Brisa's,
Ma'am, I cannot mute my audio. It's not working.
not working. So make it sure that you are no other distracting sounds are from your home. Okay. Okay. I can hear some baby sound, cute baby sound. Okay. So it is good, but for our class, it won't be it will become a distraction. Okay. Please check it. Balanced diet differ according to our age and also amount of physical work or according to our profession. According to our profession. If we are doing a lot of, if our profession is, profession needs so much physical activities, we need to include carbohydrates and fats more. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If we have to do a lots of physical activities, we need a lot of energy, right? So that the food items which gives energy, that we have to choose. That means carbohydrates and fats. Likewise, if we are simply sitting, if we are not doing any work, if we are simply sitting, we don't need much energy. Should we need much energy on that time?
No, ma'am.
No. May I please mute your audio? At that time, we can choose the food items that contain less energy. Okay. Anyhow, whenever we choose choose food substances for our diet, that should contain spices, nuts, then sprouted seeds. You know sprouted seeds. What it is sprouted seeds?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should include sprouted seeds and fermented foods. What do you mean by fermented foods?
Ma'am, which are kept one day.
One day is, can you tell me, just indicate fermented food. What do you mean by fermented food?
Fermented food are
Yes. Are you while preparing bread, something like that at your home, are you keeping some yeast or something for fermenting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So fermenting means, fermented food means like batter of idli, dosa, appam. These all batters we are using by fermenting, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Bread also, bread,
Yes,
bun.
ma'am.
These also
ma'am.
made by fermenting the batter.
ma'am wine.
Wine, yeah, very good. Wine is also we get after fermentation. Okay, so we have to choose fermented foods that contain good bacteria. Understood? Fermentation is done by bacteria. Do you know about it? Fermentation. Some
Yes, ma'am.
bacteria are acting on that food items and making it to ferment. Helps it to ferment. So that bacteria also we need in our body, good bacteria. Okay. So in our diet, we should include pulses. We should include pulses, nuts, sprouted seeds, fermented foods, and combination of different types of flours. Like we can make chapatis using wheat flour and by combining corn flour also. Okay, so that we will get the nutrients from the corn powder and from also through the wheat powder. Understood? So we can use combination of flours. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And fruits, leafy vegetables, this all we can include in our food. See, don't go for any expensive food items. These all are available to us. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These all are available in our house. We can use so many pulses for sprouting, right? Moong dal, green gram, like this all we can use it for sprouting. We can use these all things as salads also. Fermentation, fermented foods also you are using, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, according to the diet which we are following in Kerala, we are using these all things. Okay? So, we should make sure that, please, dear students, please mute your audio. Okay. So, I can hear. So, I will write it here some group of food items that we should keep in our diet. First, green groups. You know what about grain groups?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, grain groups. Can you tell me what it is grain group?
Ma'am, rice,
Okay, rice, wheat, maize, like
cereal,
this.
Barley.
barley,
These all are grain groups. After that, fruits and vegetables. Can you see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fruits and vegetables.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomato,
After that, can you tell me, after a grain group, fruits, vegetables, can you,
Pulses.
pulses are also included in this grain group. Okay,
Dairy products.
dairy products are there. Before that, meat group. Meat
Meat.
group. Meat group.
meat group,
Okay. I will explain these all things. Okay. Then at the top we can use milk group. So this is the form of a balanced diet. Okay. Next I will tell you grain group. Grain group means please mute your audio. I can hear so much distracting sound. Please, 5 more minutes only are remaining. I want to finish this, okay? Grain groups means the food which are made out of wheat, rice, maize, like this one. Okay. So just think, when you are eating rice or chapati, that is the main food. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
So that we are using in large quantity. Rice or chapatis we are using in large quantity. Along with it, we are using some salads, using the fruits or vegetables or some vegetable curries. We are using it, right? Vegetable curries. Curries using the pulses, we are using it. So that is also there. Sometimes instead of this vegetables or fruits, some will include meat products in their food. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, but see that the first one should be in larger quantity. It should be in larger quantity. Second one, this fruits or vegetables or the meat group, that should be lesser than the first group. Understood?
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
and okay. I hope you can understand me. Second and third, that is fruit, vegetables group and meat group should be less than the grain groups. Okay? And at last, milk group. Milk group contains milk and milk products. Milk and milk products.
products,
Okay, like butter, cheese, then paneer, cream, buttermilk, these all included in it, right? So, what is the quantity of the milk products which we should include in it? Less amount, okay, less amount. So, the fourth one, the milk group should be in less amount. So, if you are seeing, you can see it like a pyramid. Can you see it like a pyramid? By the base is larger quantity. That means the grain group. We want that the vegetable or fruits. Over that meat, see the meat, egg, fish, this all included in the meat group. That should be less than the other two groups. Quantity should be less. That quantity should be less. After that, the milk group. Milk group means the milk and milk product we have to use in lesser quantity. Understood? We have
Yes,
to use
ma'am.
in lesser quantity. I think
Yes, ma'am.
it is clear. Is there any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. When we are taking food, rice or chapati, which will be from the grain group in larger quantity. Along with it, we will use some salads or some vegetable curries. That should be less in quantity, right? Not
Yes,
like rice.
ma'am.
After that, we will use some meat or fish or an egg. That is also less, not like rice chapati, less quantity. After we will use, we are using some butter for cooking or curd for salads, understood? Or some olive oil in the salads, oil for cooking. These all in lesser quantity. So, like this triangle, like this pyramid, we have to arrange our food items. Okay? So, I
Okay, ma'am.
think today onwards, you will keep this food habit. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read these all things from the textbook. I will try to send the notes today or tomorrow morning itself. You can, and I will give some questions also, okay? You can
Okay, ma'am.
prepare it. Now it is the time for
Okay,
to
ma'am.
wind up my class. Hope you all understood. We can meet in next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.